Oh, good morning. Good morning from Point Lookout. Been outside shoveling this morning. Going to make a quick video now of my completed shoveling. Yeah, the snow is stopping. Oh yeah, I like the way the door looks. Turn around this direction here. It's pretty neat looking. Wind blown, the holes. Door, this right here in the corner always gets set like snow blasted. It's pretty neat. Yeah, it's not a snowmageddon. It's not too bad. So an hour ago I was out here shoveling. Filled in a little bit. Not too bad. Had the plows in the street. That's looking to the east. Down Bayside Drive. Garden City Avenue here, and then looking to the west down Bayside Drive. I'm the only one out here, besides like two truck drivers that are plowing the streets. Small trucks. So I got my first little snow pile going on here. About 6 inches on the cars. All in all, not too bad. I got a little bit more digging out to do around the back here. I go on and get it in my shed, make sure my shed temperature's up. The heater didn't crap out on me. So down here on the back side of the house here, the wind tunnel, snow never got a chance to stick on the ground. Didn't have to shovel anything over here. But back here, that's what I'm up to. Here's my shed door. I got about 1.5 feet, 2 foot of snow drift up against it right now. But it's light. I'll be able to dig this out pretty quick. Okay, later.